The 60 number just simply comes from the research done. It's sort of like what we're hearing about with the vaccines, whether you want a vaccine or not. We're all sort of watching how the FDA is being very, very rigorous about what they're suggesting people do. And the same goes for hormone therapy, that there is a very rigorous protocol before the FDA approves anything. And they don't have enough data for 60 and older that haven't ever taken HRT. So they simply drew that line in the sand and said, we don't have enough data in order to say that this is safe. Now, it very well could be perfectly safe for women over 60 that have never taken it. And let me just qualify that by saying that if you have taken HRT before 60, you can continue to take it. And I personally plan on continuing to take it when I hit 60. It's just for those women that have never taken it. And again, it's just because the FDA is so rigorous. And I think that that's a good thing, right? We just don't know enough.